Hi guys, this is Renan Salusan Journey and welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm here now in Davao City, Philippines. So 2 weeks lang yung vacation namin because of some reason. And now before I'm going back to US, so I need to refresh my mind. So we're now here in Villa Amparo. So I'm gonna show you all the place around the place. So, itutour ko kayo mamaya guys. So, please continue watching this video. Guys, papunta kami ngayon sa baba for our breakfast. So, ang ganda dito. So, but I have a guest. I'm with my niece. So, she's from China. And she is also a vlog.
Yay!
Lexi May, welcome to my channel. Say hi. So what's your channel?
It's Lexi Diary.
Lexi's Diary, guys. So please also subscribe Lexi's Diary if you have time. So now we're going down, going to
Breakfast.
breakfast. So you see, as you can see, wow, oh my God, it's so scary the road.
Can we just ride?
Yeah, so guys, English speaking ni guys. So, kailangan pa mag-English. So, they said that if you understand Bisaya Tagalog, what do you want me to speak?
English.
English. So guys, sorry. My English Baruch is needed. But anyway, so we're here since yesterday. But I did not do the vlogging because we're so tired. We were very excited to see around the place. We went to the pool. So what can you say about the place?
It's nice. It feels like a multi-mansion of one person living here, to be honest.
You like it here?
Yeah.
You want to stay here in all of your life? Oh my God, guys, akong English.
Yeah.
Really? Are you sure?
Yeah, because like, this is so fancy. There's a literal pool. There's a literal nice beach. Of course I want to.
So she said, guys, she wants to stay here in her whole life because as you can see, there's a pool there. I'm gonna show you later. And down there, there's a beaches. So makikita niyo yan mamaya, right?
Yeah.
We will show them the whole place.
kayaking.
Huh?
I never saw the beach.
Yeah, so actually we did not see it yet, but we need to take our breakfast because we're very hungry already.
Yeah,
Hungry?
we're
Guys, I think guys at the hands. Yeah, so yeah, you speak.
It's just so tiring. Why can't we just use the tricycle to go down here?
Yeah. So but we need to know where's our destination.
Okay.
Okay guys, so we need the direction.
That's the beach.
So that's the beach.
No,
There's the beach there. So dili siguro doon.
no.
So this is the way going to the restaurant. So kain muna kami. Are you hungry now?
Yeah.
So what do you want to eat for your breakfast?
I actually don't know.
You don't
Anything
know?
that's in the menu.
Oh, you see my mama? Doon. Hindi kay mabot. So, pulaton sa namo guys. So, muni siya ang whole place. See, gwapo kayo dun. And very affordable, promise. The food are very cheap but I like the place very clean and people are very accommodating, right?
Yeah.
So what can you say about the place more?
It's a good place.
That's all you can say.
Yeah.
Oh guys, nahurot na akong English very diving.
Because I barely saw the whole place. It's just only.
For mommy.
We need to wait my mom. So anak dyan na magkatigulang tanong. Yeah, so it's coming. It's coming guys. So guys, I'm here in the Karoon, so it's a free breakfast.
Balina and mother mahal.
So, mo niya akong mama guys. Guwapa kayo. Hello.
Ano ta ba yung kubirhanay?
Dili na siya. Kailangan mo guni siya anaon kay ang iyang tiil guys. Na ano na, napilay. Okay guys, voice over again dahil may music na naman, no? So as you can see in the video, kami ay tapos na kumain at pasensya na't hindi ko na na-vlog kung ano yung mga pagkain na kinain namin dahil ang lahat ay nagugutom at ayaw na nilang pansinin ang aking camera. So but anyway guys, ang sarap ng pagkain nila kasi nga libre. And as of now, ini-interview ko yung pamangkin ko kung ano yung yung kinain niya. So sa sobrang sarap ay nakalimutan daw niya kung ano yung kinain niya. So ganun guys, sa sobrang sarap ng pagkain nila pati pangalan mo at kung ano yung kinain mo ay makalimutan mo na rin, no? So sa ngayon ay tapos na kami dyan. At excited na yung pamangkin ko kaya punta muna kaming beach. Isuroy daw me. We're back and
Going to our room.
yeah. Sige daw, you black.
What?
So where are we going?
We're going to our room so we can change into our
No, we'll go there first.
Huh?
There, oh.
To the beach.
So guys, I'm here now in the beach. So I just want to check first if it's okay because you know, bit-bit na ko kung mama. Oh, it's good. Really good. Oh my God, I really love it here, guys. Ang ganda. Guwapo. Very good. So it's white sand. Yeah. And you see? So if you will get the package, then it's included already the pool, the kanang kayak gani guys. So it's free. Free only. So yeah, so we will try that one. But no worry because we have a life vest. If you don't know how to swim, so can you encourage them to try doing that what do you call that? Kayak, yeah.
I mean, you can go kayaking. It's really fun. I mean, it's in the shallow side, so you're probably not going to go to the deep side. So
Oh, you see guys, wow kasabot. Come on, let's sabot ha.
let's go to the
Okay, so she's very excited to come back here, so we need to change our clothes. So let's go. Go back again.
Pwede din mo kataos sa kayak. Sakay dito.
Okay, so manakay na pod migbalik ha. So please continue watching this video. So mao ni ang agian nimo paadto sa inyong dapit. Yan. So, punta muna kami sa ano namin sa room para mag-change kami ng clothes. So, dyan sa building na yan, dyan kami. Ito naman yung pool nila guys. Yan. Dyan kami mamaya. Okay. Kita ko sa inyo ang room namin. Ito, kita mo dito, kagwapo. Gani. So, later na guys, ipakita ko sa inyo ang swimming pool. So, ito yung room namin. So, medyo affordable siya. Kung may $5 ka.
Ayun na, bayan na po.
Kalat ang aming ano guys ha. Pasensya na guys, but maganda ito dito kasi refreshing. So guys, kalalabas lang namin from our room and then papunta kami sa dagat. Yung pamangkin ko, hindi na niya nakayanan, so mauna na daw siya. So ngayon, ang mga adult, yun naman mga adult, mga tuhod, grabe. So Papunta na kami doon sa beach. Yeah, beach kami guys. So, yan. Sige, dito kami sa gilid. Kasi, so, welcome back to my channel. Sugiyahan ang nanay. Okay. So, ako din hira ko guys. Para lami kayo. Diba? Hayahay pa sa tanang ayahay. So, dinhi sa Villa Amparo, hindi na ka magproblema kung na kay senior citizen kauban. Kaya na sila itawag na shuttle. Shuttle mo doon itawagan guys. So, wow. See, pababa siya guys. Ay, pababa. Go ba tayo? Kapit na may maabot. Punit lang dyan ka para di ka makuyapan. Napot namin? Kadali na ba tayo? Dali. So, ang mother, kailangan
Mamabakta ko ni ma'am.
ha?
Ay, may mga dito sa buka tarong 500 eh.
Gani. Nana ko diri sa beach. Oh, gwapo ka ayo. So I'm now here in the seashore with my pamangkin. Oh, let's come here. Before guys, she's so white now. She's charcoal already. Sige, what can you say?
It's really, really rough, and it's also really hurt your feet. But I recommend it.
We're now in Villa Amparo Beach Resort located at Samal, Davao City.
Yay!
Yay! And again, don't forget to
Subscribe
subscribe
and like the video.
your vlog.
And
Invite them.
yeah, also subscribe to Lexus.
Okay. Subscribe Lexus Diary, guys. And the mother deer. And so, kung gusto nyo magpahinga, dyan lang. Kung gusto nyo magmuni-muni, dito lang. Gusto nyo magsakay ng kayak. So, it's for free, 20 minutes. Okay. Per, yan ako. So, ano ba? Lingkod ko. Lingkod. Oh! So, ganda dito. I like it. So, ito yung kayak, guys. Kabri na kami dito. So, libre lang pag magkuha kayo ng package. So, 20 minutes per person, okay? So, I want to ride that one. But I don't know how to drive. But later na. Clean. White sand. Okay. Very clean here. Whew. Very good, very good. 1 to 10. Rate 10 here. So guys, natumba ang aming kaya. But it's okay. Because okay lang, basta ang dagat buwak. See? Mama? Ang pag-umang. Gini! Oh, kumalan.
Yay! I'm floating. I finally experienced how to use the life vest. It's so fun.
Carolina is swimming.
Model.
Really is a
Hi guys. Kakagising lang namin. And we're going back to the rest. So for our dinner. Kainan na. Salamat. Hi guys, so this is our second day here at Villa Amparo. So grabe guys, so sobrang pagod namin na maligo kanina, tulog at ngayon pa nagising. So hindi na kami nag-lunch. Kami na malaya naggabi na pala, right? And here we are again. So beautiful here. So guys, it's our last day here at Villa Amparo Beach Resort. Sana makabalik pa rin ako dito next day. So meron silang mga sapa-sapa. Doon is swimming pool. Doon naman So yung sa mga bata. Yan. At doon naman sa mga malalaki. Pero hindi siya masyadong malalim. Ang ganda. So hindi na ako nakapag-video nung nag-ano kami naligo kasi na-overwhelm ako guys. So dyan kami. Oh. So yung magpahinga, dyan lang. Doon naman yung beach. Pero no worry. Kasi kahit malayo yung beach, meron naman silang cart or shuttle. So pasaka siya guys. So third floor siya. And then meron din silang hotel. Pero para sa akin, sulit na ang dormitory nila. Medyo makalat kami kasi pauwi na kami. Okay guys, pauwi na kami. Going back to Davao City. So, mo ni ang ilahang entrance. Ito ang entrance. And then, basta mubalik pa ko diri next year kung makabalik mi diri. Villa Amparo. So, voice over again as usual kasi may music tayo. So, balik tayo sa videos. As you can see that maraming mga tao dahil nga binabalik-balikan yung place na ito guys. Sobrang ganda at sobrang linis at good for the children also at sa mga senior citizen naman no problem kasi may mga shuttle sila or cart. So isang tawag lang, seconds lang nandyan na sila agad guys. So sobrang bilis ng nila ng services nila and also very accommodating yung mga tao na nandyan, yung mga tao nila guys. And aside from that, meron din sila mga coffee shop and then may restaurant din, may mga souvenir shop. So may enjoy po kayo dito guys and first time ko po dito and it's highly recommended po. And so now pauwi na kami yan. That's my family. Nag-aantay na lang kami sa service namin. Hi guys, I'm here now at Chimo at the hair studio salon. So I need to make over my mom. So guys, voice over again. As usual, my music na naman. So it's okay. At least my voice over, right? So continue tayo sa video guys. As you can see, kumakain kami. Ang dami namin. So yan naman yung sa side ng brother ko sa asawa niya. Pamilya niya yan. Gusto ko silang ma-meet. And then yung mama ko, tsaka yung friend ko nag-work sa store namin. So, at least na-meet ko sila bago man lang ako uwi ng USA. Okay? So, ang saya-saya lang ng life. Kahit na may pagsubok, but alam natin guys na temporary lang yung kapagsubukan. After that is a blessing. So, ngayon naman guys, after sa pamilya ng brother ko, so bago ako umuwi niyan, kasi magbe-birthday na yung mother ko, yung kapatid ko, tsaka yung antiyayang ko. So, kaya hinandaan ko na lang sila. So, ang daming food at ang dami ding bisita. So, yan naman ang family ng mama ko. Hi guys! Maulaw daw siya na sa vlog. Natin ka rin sa video. Suroy-suroy with that tricycle. At enjoy kaayo. So, may na... Ha? E-bike. Mo na siya ang e-bike. Yung social na kaayo. So, tanay tayo. Mura kita. Akuan. Mura ka palit sa hangin. Pwede man makasunod ang taxi dito sa mga tuwan. So, kami na lang. So, ang akong guide guys, wala siya kabalik sa kwarto. Okay guys, dito na nagtatapos ang ating vlog kasi sobrang haba na niya. And before we will end this vlog, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, Renalyn Sanders Journey, and please click like and share. So, kita-kits. So, next vlog ko. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.